Hi guys, my name is Grzegorz Szczepaniak. I grew up in a small city beside Toronto called Mississauga in Canada. I moved to England back in 2006. I have been in financial services since 2018 here at Step by Step Financial Solutions, and I'm a mortgage and protection broker. The thing that I value most about my job here is the flexibility that I have that allows me to prioritize my responsibilities and work for my clients. In my private life, I enjoy spending time with my family, my two children, Nicola and Marcel. We enjoy traveling, playing football, and I'm a huge fan of the Los Angeles Lakers basketball team.